Hello there, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get download application on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, straight up to the video, I'm heading over to the search bar at the top left. Clicking on that gives me this keyboard, and I'm going to be typing downloader. So the download application is a very popular application, and you use it to download apps to Google TV and other devices. So I'm going to head over to the top bar, and I'm tapping on download to ease the search. I'll use ADER. So that's downloader, and now click on the search button to launch. So the particular one you're going to be looking for is the one from AFTV. So be very particular about the choice you pick when you see these different download applications. This first one is the one you want. You see downloader by AFTV News. So click on that. I'm going to click on the install button. So right there you find the application pending. Ensure you have internet connection, and this will take a couple of minutes. So just a minute or two. If the connection is good and this complete, the downloader process will be complete. So you just need to download and install. So just give it a second and sit down, relax, and wait for the application to complete its download so you can install it into your Google TV. And right there, as you can see, the application has been downloaded. The download is complete. All you need to do now is to click on the open button and you have it open, or you could go back to your home screen and navigate to apps. So coming down, you could navigate to the rightmost part of the screen and you have the download application there. Click on it to launch, and right there you can enjoy the application, accept the terms and conditions, and that is the downloader app. To use it, you see all of these options. Confirm by this app with the toggle to the left, and that is it. If you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.